welcome back to my channel. It's Nello here as always, coming at you today with a new video. Okay, so you guys, today's video I'm going to basically simplify the YouTube algorithm for you guys. I know people have a lot of questions about the YouTube algorithm, and in one of my recent videos where I talked about how much I made from 1.5 million views here on YouTube, I tried my best to explain some things, but I still got a whole lot of questions in that video, which is why I am making this video to just better explain things for you guys. So if you want me to simplify the algorithm for you guys, tell you guys what you're doing wrong, what you're doing right, what certain things stand for, then just make sure to keep on watching. So guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome. But if you're not new, you might have seen the video I put out a few weeks back, like 2 weeks ago, where I kind of told you guys how much I made from a video that I have on YouTube, which got over 1.5 million views on it. And I tried my best in that video to actually explain how this whole thing works, how the algorithm works, but I still got a whole lot of questions in that video. So today's video, I'm basically going to simplify that and just explain it to you guys, because I know you guys have seen a lot of videos about the algorithm here on YouTube. I've seen a whole lot of videos. See, even myself, I'm still schooling myself about the YouTube algorithm, what works and what doesn't work. So in today's video, I'm going to try my best to simplify it for you guys. So I have a second channel. In case you don't know, the name of the channel is Cook with Nello, like you can see on the screen right now. I'm going to link my channel down below as well, so please go and subscribe to my second channel, guys. So I have a second channel which I'm going to be using to demonstrate all I'm saying in today's video, because it's a brand new channel. It's less than 2 months old. It literally just got monetized like 2 days ago. So I'm going to use this channel, my YouTube studios in this channel, to kind of break it down for you guys one by one. And yes, also I'm going to be coming out with a video of how my channel got monetized, what I had to do, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that one. So but in the meantime, let me go ahead and start explaining. Okay, so yes, a lot of people that commented on that video are not monetized yet. So to break it down for you guys, on YouTube, to get monetized, you need at least 1,000 subscribers. Okay, which is actually a lot of subscribers for some people, whereas some other people get it in a day or two. But you need 1,000 subscribers, and you also need 4,000 hours of watch time. So what does that mean? To break it down for you, because I had someone that contacted me today saying she has 4,000 hours, but in real sense she only had 4,000 minutes. So to break down for you, what it basically means to get 4,000 hours is you have to have 80,000 views in a 3-minute video. Okay, so if you have a 3-minute video that people are watching the whole 3 minutes, you need 80,000 views. But if you can also have a 10-minute video or 7-minute video that the average watch time is 3 minutes. Okay, so what it basically means, you need people to watch 3 minutes of your video 80,000 times. So if they are watching 6 minutes of your video, then you have to divide that 80,000 into 2, which is 40,000 views. So let's say you have a 20-minute long video, and at least the average watch time is usually around 6, 7 to 10 minutes at least. So all you need for that video, the amount of views you need for that video, is just 40,000 views to get monetized. Okay, I hope that simplified it for you guys. And if you have a 30-minute video and people are watching what's it called, people are watching more of that video, instead of 6 minutes they are watching like 10 minutes or so, then you need less amount of views to get monetized. You need about 20 to 30,000 views to get monetized. So it just all depends on your watch time. That is very important. That's why everybody always gives an advice that when you're trying to get to your watch time, you need longer videos, because the longer your videos, the more people watch your videos. In my case, it wasn't the case. Okay, let me go ahead and show you guys. So I'm currently in my YouTube studios. In my case, actually, that wasn't the case, because this my second channel is a full channel, and I can't be making 20-minute video where I'm doing nothing. So my videos were mostly straight to the point. So it took me 11 videos to get monetized. It took me 11 whole videos to actually get monetized. Okay, so and let me go and show you guys my average view duration. So for example, as you guys can see, this abacha recipe is the easiest, most delicious abacha recipe, and it has 16,974 views right now. I put out this video on 15th of February, and this was my very first video on this channel. So when I go to the analytics, you're quickly going to find out that, okay, so far this video has only made me $7 cents. I mean, is this even up to 7 cents? Yeah, 7 cents. It's just 7 cents. This video has made me 7 cents, but I gained 557 subscribers from this video. And watch time in hours, this video I gained 659 hours of watch time. So this is not even up to 1,000 of the hours needed. Okay, and then this video has 17,000 views now. Then when you go down to watch time, audience retention, that's average view duration, you will see that it's only for 2 minutes and 19 seconds. So this video is 4 minutes long, I believe. It's not that long, it's like 4 minutes long, because you know how people, when you're turning, they don't want to watch it on, they just forward it, or when you're doing something they don't want to watch, they just forward it. So that's why you need longer videos if you're trying to reach your target hours. But it just wasn't the case for me. So let me go back and show you guys another video. For example, this fried rice recipe, which was also 4 minutes 54 seconds. You guys get why this thing took me 11 videos, because my videos were very, very short. I wasn't making long videos. And this video only gave me 75 subscribers, and you can see that my average retention and average view duration right here, I'm clicking under it, is 2 minutes and 35 seconds, which is 53%, which is actually not bad. But basically, you see, so if I was getting 2 minutes per person, I would have needed at least over 100,000 views to get monetized. So that's why you have to watch your analytics closely. So that is basically what this means. Okay, so that is your watch time and subscriber count simplified. Okay, so you guys, after you've gotten to this part, after you've done all this and you finally get monetized and apply for monetization, that is going to be a whole different video. I'm going to make that video in future. But after you've gotten monetized, let me break down to you guys what some terms mean. Okay, so first things first, here where you see your estimated revenue, that is basically how much you've made so far, the estimate of how much you've made so far. To be honest, it has never been inaccurate for me. It's usually this. I usually get whatever it says here at the end of the month, or sometimes plus or minus $2 to $5. It's normally not more than that, so it's usually almost accurate. And then the next one, which is this estimated monetized playback, basically means how many views it took you to make this amount of money. Okay, let's just put it that way. So in this case, it took me 2,400 views to make $6.06. Yes. So estimated monetized playback, that is what it means. And then the playback CPM, the playback based CPM, basically means how much YouTube pays you for 1,000 views estimate. Okay, it doesn't necessarily mean that every 1,000 views you get this. And when I say 1,000 views, it's not 1,000 views in just numbers, it's 1,000 views in ads. Okay, because you can have a video and 10,000 people watch your video, but you find out that it's only 3,000 of those 10,000 that actually watched ads. Sometimes YouTube play people's videos and no ad plays whatsoever. Sometimes a lot of ads play for some people, sometimes people still just want ad. So it just depends. So this playback based CPM is how much you get paid for 1,000 ads watched on your channel. Okay, so that is this part simplified. You guys can see from here that my channel basically just got monetized like a few days ago. So on the first day, which is April 10th, I made 30 cents from this channel. Yes, I made 30 cents. And on the 11th, I made $3.95, as you guys can see. And then on the 12th, I made $1.81. So that is how much I've made for this channel so far. Does this even add up to the $6.06 I've made for the month? I think so. But anyways, that's it. Then when you go to your audience, this part is actually quite important. Okay, if you're trying to get your watch time, if you're trying to get to that watch time, you need to pay attention to this watch part. You guys can see in the last 28 days, this data you're looking at is last 28 days. As you can see here, I have gained 713 subscribers, which is actually down 63% from how much I gained the 28 days before this one. Okay, you can see that some days I gained 26, and this day 11, 12, 37, 35, and on the highest day I gained just 48 subscribers. Okay, so down here, what this part means is that only 36% of my subscribers actually watch my videos. The other 68% are not subscribed. Okay, so if you're, I know this channel I'm demonstrating, which is my second channel, but if you're on my main channel and you're watching this video, can you help your girl by subscribing? I beg you in the name of God. It's the same with my main channel. Like, I have a lower percentage of people that subscribe, watch my videos, than those that are not subscribed to my channel. It's what it is. Okay, that's why I keep telling you guys, please subscribe, please turn on your notifications, so that when we put out a video, you will see it and come and watch and support us. Okay, then over here you can see that subscribers who turned on all notifications are 31%. Then subscribers who turned on all notifications notification for your channel and enabled YouTube notification is 28. So it's not just turning on notification. If your YouTube notification is not enabled on your phone, you still won't get it till you log in with your laptop or your TV or whatever. So yeah, that's what this part means. So now that I've explained all that to you guys, let me now just give you guys tips and what you can do to actually gain more views on YouTube, and not just gain more views, to at least get to your target 4,000 views watch hours, especially those that are still struggling to get there. So first things first, everybody will tell you make longer videos, make longer videos. Yes, you need to make longer videos. It's very, very important. It's very, 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 very important to make longer videos, because like I just explained, the longer your video, the longer people stay on the video, and then your watch time increases. Okay, so that's something I couldn't do. But then again, if you're making longer videos, make longer videos that we want to watch. Okay, yes, on my food channel I couldn't make longer videos, sadly, because I was making recipe videos. Okay, I had nothing to add to the video, and I wasn't going to like chase people away from my channel. I wasn't going to just annoy people that come to watch my videos with blabbing when I had nothing to talk about. So don't make that mistake of just putting out rubbish because you want to get to your watch time, because it's only going to affect your channel negatively. People are going to leave. They're not going to come back. They're going to know that you're just blabbing basically, and it's not a good look for your channel. Okay, so as much as it's important to make longer videos, be careful not to just make videos for making reasons. Try and give us quality content. Okay, and another tip I'll give you for trying to get your watch time, this is one mistake that a lot of people make. A lot of people make this mistake. Okay, quality. See, I cannot overemphasize video quality. If I click onto your video now, a lot of people send me their links on YouTube, on Instagram, mostly actually on Instagram, which if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow your girl on Instagram. You can see it's up there. But basically, I get a lot of messages on Instagram where people say, please check out my channel. I just put out this video. Please help me share my channel in your community. Please shout me out and things like that. And then I open that channel and I see one video 6 months ago, the next one 3 months ago, and then this one 3 weeks ago. And not just are they not putting out content regularly, they are putting out crappy content with bad quality. I'm sorry if I'm being blunt, but maybe people need to be blunt so that if you're trying to actually get your goal, you can actually pick up. Nobody wants to watch a video with bad quality. You sending me that link, if you click on another person's video and see that their sound is crap, you can't even see them clearly, you're going to click out. Is the truth. You're going to click out. So try and improve your quality. I beg you. You don't even have to change your phone or camera. Good lighting matters a lot. So that's one tip I have to share. And also, like I just said, the second tip is be consistent. Okay, we cannot overemphasize consistency. Any video you watch about growth on YouTube will tell you that you have to be consistent. Don't put out one video and put out the next one 3 months later. No. Me, I'm still trying to grow my YouTube. I've gotten to the watch time and everything, and I'm putting out video 3-4 times a week. Okay, put in the work and be consistent, and best believe it's going to pay off. If you want to know a lot more about this, how I stay consistent, how I plan, how I get my ideas, how I edit. In fact, if you want to know all the things you need to succeed here on YouTube, I have a masterclass coming up with my friend Adeze's Space, and it's going to be an online masterclass because you guys know what's happening. We cannot do it face-to-face anymore, even though we planned face-to-face and online. So now we're just carrying on with the online. We're almost ready with the material that we have for you guys. So you guys should stay tuned for that. It's going to be amazing. I promise you, you cannot attend that class. You cannot pay for that masterclass and your YouTube career will not take off. I promise you. I already have like proteges, okay, that I'm working with right now. People I'm kind of coaching, and their channel has been doing amazing, if I do say so myself. So stay tuned for that. From the masterclass, we're also going to be picking out people that we're going to be collaborating with, and we're going to help you out one-on-one. You can bombard me with all your questions. I will send you videos of how to do things. Like, I'll give you my time 100%. So anyways, that being said, yes, don't put up crappy videos. Don't put up videos with bad quality and bad audio, bad quality. We don't want that. Yes, and the next tip I have for you guys is to actually, if you want to grow your channel, if you want your channel to get the views, is you have to follow the trend. Okay, you just have to follow trend. See, you guys don't need any class or anything to tell you this. You have to follow the trend sometimes. You guys know how I went to the Wash Rated Makeup Artist was raining Yes, I'm sure you must have seen that video as long as you're on YouTube. Follow the trend and jump on it immediately. I know a lot of people that got to their watch time by following that trend. Okay, don't feel special, don't feel better than the rest. Just jump on the trend and do it. Use those words that you see people are using that are working for them. Just do it and your video might just take off, because that is what people are searching for at that moment. So once you have a catchy thumbnail and a catchy title, then you have a very high chance of your video taking off. You want to learn again all about thumbnails, titles, and all that good stuff? I'm going to be covering it in my masterclass coming out real soon. Probably in a week or two it should be out. I'll keep you guys updated on this channel. Yes, so guys, since this video is about helping people grow, I'm going to be shouting out 2 people in this video, and the first person is going to be Elizabeth Atigari. I hope I pronounced your name right, Elizabeth. So please guys, I'm going to link her channel down below and put her name on the screen. Guys, she vlogs and she does like some motherhood videos, some recipe videos, and a bunch of other things, and she really puts in time to create her content because she really has good quality content. And yeah, these are the channels I like to shout out. I won't even lie. So please guys, go and subscribe to her channel, please. I'm going to link it down below. Then the second channel I'm going to be shouting out, I don't even have to search to find. The channel is Uche Nwezi. The name of the channel and the name of the person that owns the channel is Uche Nwezi. If you are a regular active audience in this channel, you must have seen her comment in the comment section. She never fails to comment. She's actually living in the same state as I am, but we've never got to meet, but hopefully one day we will. Please guys, go and support Uche's channel. I'm going to link her channel in my description box down below. Please go and show some love. And if you guys have any more questions about like these YouTube terms simplified, then please let me know and I'll make sure to answer your questions in my comment section. And if it's something that I have to turn into a video, I'll be happy to do that as well. Hope this video was able to help 1 or 2 of you. I'm always happy to help you guys, which is another reason why I'm creating that masterclass. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be extremely helpful, extremely detailed. I'm not going to hide anything. I'm going to share my my revenue, how I have multiplied. In fact, I've more than tripled my revenue from the past like 6 months to now, and just how I've done that, how we film, what you have to do, and just understanding YouTube better. See, we are all students in this YouTube game. Nobody can ever know it all, but I'm going to share all that I know with you guys. Okay, yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Follow me on Instagram, comment, share, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next one.